Ever wondered how to get the most out of ChatGPT? Well, you're not alone. ChatGPT, brought to you by OpenAI, is a language model that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. It's like having a conversation with a witty, well-read friend who learns from every input it receives. But here's the deal. The secret to unlocking its full potential lies in the art of crafting effective prompts. So how do you create a prompt that gets you the best response from ChatGPT? Let's dive in. Creating an effective prompt for ChatGPT is a blend of art and science. It's like crafting a delicious recipe where each ingredient plays a crucial role in the final taste. So let's break down the process of creating prompts into some easily digestible steps. First up, be specific and detailed with your prompt. The more information you provide, the better the AI understands what you're asking for. Instead of saying, "Tell me a story," you can spice things up a bit. Try, "Tell me a detective story set in 1940s Los Angeles." You just gave the AI a genre, a time frame, and a location. Now that's a rich prompt. Next, we have step 2. Use open-ended questions. These encourage more extensive responses. Instead of asking, "Is it going to rain tomorrow?" you could ask, "What's the weather forecast for tomorrow?" See the difference? The latter invites a more comprehensive answer, giving you a fuller picture of the weather. Finally, step 3. Don't be afraid to experiment with different formats and styles. ChatGPT isn't just a one-trick pony. It can handle a wide variety of tasks, from drafting emails and writing essays to creating Python code and much more. Feel free to mix and match and see how the AI responds to different challenges. And that brings us to the end of our second act. Remember, the more specific and detailed your prompt, the better the response from ChatGPT. So get out there, start crafting, and let the AI magic unfold. So, we've seen that creating effective prompts for ChatGPT is all about specificity, open-endedness, and experimentation. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. Crafting the perfect prompt is akin to an art form. You start by being specific. Imagine you're speaking to a knowledgeable friend rather than an omnipotent oracle. Be detailed in your queries. The more context you provide, the more likely you are to receive the desired response. Then we move on to open-endedness, the key to unlocking creative and insightful responses. Avoid yes or no questions. Instead, ask for explanations, opinions, or predictions. Finally, don't forget the element of experimentation. There's no one-size-fits-all prompt. Play around with different formats and styles. Be bold, be curious. Remember, each prompt is a stepping stone towards understanding the AI better. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to becoming a master at crafting prompts and getting the most out of ChatGPT. Happy prompting!